Oh, I wish I could keep her, but I'm allergic.
Meow.
That's one of the most beautiful cats I've ever seen, ever.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Oh, look at that thingy. It's so cute. Look at that. Hold, let me try to get its attention by something. Wait, hold on, Mom. Stop. Let me try to get its attention by something. It's a flower.
Meow. 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 Kitty. Kitty. Kitty cat. Kitty. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Meow. Meow. Meow.
She's like, what is that? She's like, what is that?
Meow. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Meow.
She's like, I've seen one of those before. I just don't know what it is.
Meow. Kitty cat. Meow. Meow.
Oh, what is that? Wow, that's so pretty.
Meow. Meow.
Only if I had one of my cat toys here. Because I have a dog who thinks. Wow, it's so pretty. Ugh, I'm getting nectar all over my hands, but it's worth it. Look at that thing. It's like. Whoa, what are you looking at? I wonder if it's a girl or a boy. God dang it. There. What is that? Yeah, what is that?
Meow. Come here.
Hold on a sec, Mom. Here, let me grab this feather. Oh, look. What's that? Wow, that's beautiful. Bye-bye, kitten.